Today we want to share and explain how to create your link to WhatsApp in a Wix website. There are three ways to do it. The first one is you can add a link in the menu, you can add a link in a button, and you can add the WhatsApp widget. Let's go to the website so you see how this looks. If we go to the website, it's a link to whatsapp.com. I mean, here you have, I think you have all the options. You have the widget here, with agents, the links, etc. Have a link in the menu that opens WhatsApp. I think it's this one. Yes, exactly. This one is in the menu, and it's a link that goes directly to WhatsApp. Super simple, super easy to use. As you can see, you click and you open WhatsApp. And finally, you can have a button with a link to WhatsApp. So let's go to, well, first we are going to create our link to WhatsApp. That's the first step. So let's go to chat with and let's create the link to WhatsApp. This is your country code. By default, we are going to give you your country code, but you can change it. You can type here your phone number, and here we can say link from the menu in Wix. We are going to create this link. Okay, so this is the link for the menu. I'm going to copy this link and let's go to Wix, the editor here. Okay, so now we are in Wix. This is our menu. So in the menu, what you need to do is I think is manage menu, and here you have different options. Each one can be a link to a specific site. So you can add a link or a page. We are going to add a link because it's what we need. We are going to say web address, and here we paste our link. New window, and we put it. And the new link is going to be open WhatsApp link. Done. You can order the menu, so it's going to be as you want. Let's close this one. Okay, so now we have the menu with this option. This menu is across the site, so everyone who goes to your site is going to see the link in the menu to open your WhatsApp link. You can add contact me, WhatsApp me. I mean, you can manage the name of this button as you prefer. So this is option number one. Option number two will be to have a button with a link to WhatsApp. Buttons in Wix are very easy to add. You can, I think, is add button exactly here. We go to buttons. I don't know, you have a lot of designs. Let's choose this one, for example. The button is here. We are going to move this down here, and we can say just this one is going to be open my WhatsApp link, and at the link the same web address, we put here the link, and that's it. This is open my WhatsApp link. As you can see, this is super simple. This is like everyone can do it. So if you have a Wix website, you can add a link to your WhatsApp in the menu, in a button, or if you want, you can use the widget. The widget is a solution that is a bit more complicated. It requires more setup, like you need to define agents, you need to define more elements, but it's going to give you more control over your WhatsApp. Well, let's publish this site so we can see it. Okay, so everything is up, and we change everything. So now we have here open WhatsApp link, that this is going to open directly my WhatsApp. So that's cool, that's working. Okay, excellent. And here we have a button, the same, open my WhatsApp. And this goes directly to my WhatsApp. What happens every time someone clicks on your buttons, on your links? Here you have a counter. So now you have 2 clicks, on your clicks. So you know how many users are going to your profile. What happens in your profile? It's very important. You need to have a nice photo, you need to have a nice profile. Please use WhatsApp Business so your users are going to trust you. I mean, this is super important. You need to trust, you need to give trust to your users. So when the user clicks on your widget, they need to see a nice, clean, a WhatsApp profile, with information about your business. Let me reload this. Okay, let me open this. This morning I saw, for example, this profile. This profile is very good. This is a bakery in Spain. The number, the name, the map, description, the catalog with products, something like that is nice. This is the profile to have for your business, a nice photo with your catalog, with your products, something like that. For example, this other company. This company is a it's a pet food company. The same map, description. They don't have the catalog, and that's something you may miss. But this is okay. The logo is there. Looks professional, looks realistic, looks you can trust that company. So I'm going to engage with you. So it's very important. The profile, it's very important because you're going to have hits, on your link, and the user is going to go to your profile. But you need to have a very good, WhatsApp profile for the user to start talking with you. So this is what you need to do. And finally, let's check how to add the WhatsApp widget. The widget is something you have here. You can create your widget. I'm going to choose one I have created. I mean, you have other videos where we explain how to create the widget. So I will add the information on the video in the description. But you have here, you have the widget. I'm going to copy the code. This is the code. And now I want to put this on my Wix website. Okay, so how do I add this script on my Wix website? This is the third method. So we have seen, in the menu, that's very good. In the menu, in a button, and now with a script. To add the script, you need to go to settings. You need to go to my dashboard. So this is new. This is something that Wix has changed. So this is a bit different now. You need to go to your dashboard, and now I think it's settings. And in settings you have an option for advanced custom code. Custom code. Okay, and here is where you can edit and add your script. Okay, that's it. It's a new way to do it, but you can do it. So in your editor, when you are in the editor settings, my dashboard. Okay, because now it's not here. They have removed it. It's not here anymore. You need to go to dashboard, and in dashboard you need to go to settings. In settings you need to go to advanced, and custom code. That's it. And there you have it. Here you can add, your code. It's going to load, it's going to give you the script, it's going to give you everything. So this is new. This is something that has changed and you need to know it. So just consider these 3 options to create your link to WhatsApp, and that's it. If you have questions, send us an email. Thank you.